In this video, you'll learn how to set up windsurfing equipment specifically designed for beginners. This guide will take you through each step, ensuring you understand the process clearly and effectively. Start by opening the Windsurf application on your device. Look for the application icon on your applications folder. Once you click on the icon, the application will launch and you will be directed to the main interface. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Agent within the main menu. This option will typically be found on the left side of the screen. After selecting Agent, the screen will refresh, showing you various options related to sessions and settings. After that, click on the option that says All Sessions. This will display a list of all available windsurfing sessions. You should see a comprehensive overview of each session, including dates and times. Once you've done that, click on New Session to create a new session for your windsurfing setup. A new window will appear prompting you to enter session details such as the session name and date, fill in the necessary information and confirm your choices. At this point, a cascade code will appear on the screen. This code is essential for linking your session to the windsurfing equipment. Make sure to take note of this code as you will need it later in the setup process. Next, click on the editor option in the menu. This will allow you to edit your session details further. You will see various editing tools available for customizing your session. Afterward, click on Explore to access additional features of the application. This section will provide you with tools and options to explore different aspects of windsurfing. Then click on the search function to find specific equipment or settings related to your session. Enter relevant keywords to help narrow down your search results. Once you find what you need, click on COD Maps to visualize the connections and configurations of your windsurfing setup. This feature will help you understand how different components interact with each other. Following that, click on Deep Wiki to access a wealth of information regarding windsurfing techniques and equipment. This section is valuable for beginners wanting to learn more about the sport. Next, click on Remote Explore to connect with other users or sessions remotely. This feature allows for collaboration and sharing of resources within the windsurfing community. After that, click on Extensions to explore additional tools that can enhance your windsurfing experience. You may find various add-ons that can be. Finally, click on Run and Debug to initiate the session setup process. This step will ensure that all configurations are correct and functioning as intended. Wait for the application to process your setup and confirm any prompts that may appear. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.